Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying portrait painting for the first time. So basically, once you have your photo, you're going to break up the highlights and shadows, and you're going to start off with an A4 size canvas. Basically, I'm going to put the link to everything, the brushes, everything in the link in the description. We're going to be using the 3 brushes on the left. I'm going to be using the sketching brush to sketch. Now you're gonna make a new layer and rename it to final sketch, and basically outline everything that you sketched and try to make it more clean. Basically, I lost the footage, but what you want to do is create a new layer, rename it to face, then another to hair, and so on, as you guys can see on your right. Press on alpha lock and then use the color changing tool to match the skin color, and afterwards you're gonna start shading with the airbrush brush, and the link will be in the description. In the process, try to switch on and off the sketch layer. Therefore, you might realize what you have to do. It just helps you in a way to realize what's missing while you're in the process. Now I'm adding in the eyebrow stamp, as well as adding some few hair-like strokes to make it come to real life. Now I added in the lashes. So now I'm coloring in the hair using the short hairbrush. Furthermore, I added in some variety in colors to make the hair pop out and seem realistic enough. I added a sort of creamish color for the highlights. So moving on to the lips, there's this brush that I've always had but never used, so I tried using this in today's video, and here it is on the screen. It will also be in the link in the description. Everything will be in the link in the description, so make sure to download it and follow the tutorial. added some freckles using the Light's freckles brush. Now I also added a little bit of skin detail. It might be a little bit hard to notice, but I just used a really sort of dark shade and use the skin texture brush. Now this part is completely optional. I just wanted to go with the same background, so I brought the image and started sort of making a background like the reference photo. Afterwards, I merged all the layers together, and that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my last video up there, and Happy New Year, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.